Welcome to Professor's Garage. Ratchet hit the Odyssey in the back and broke the taillight assemblies. Parts for this replacement: the taillight outer assembly and the inner assembly. Remove the two screws. Push the assembly toward the back of the car. Remove the connectors. Out with the old. Remove the lights. In with the new. Insert the lights into the new assembly and turn clockwise to secure the lights. Plug the connectors. There's a push pin clip in the front of the assembly. Make sure you align that with the hole on the body. And align the back of the assembly with the two screw holes. And push it toward the front until it is in place. And tighten it with the screws. It looks beautiful. Remove cover on the tailgate to access the lights. Remove the connectors. Remove the two nuts with an 8mm socket. And remove two nuts on the side. Now I try to wiggle the assembly and try to move it to the side to remove it. It may help to open the tailgate a little bit to remove it. So out with the old and in with the new. New lights for the new assembly. To install the new assembly, it helps to pry the tailgate handle cover so it's easier to slide the new assembly in. Push until it clicks so the clips are in place. Retighten nuts in the back of the assembly. And plug the connectors. Do not forget the two cap nuts on the side of the tailgate. It's done! Check out the lights. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。